Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you and I'm going to analyze this KB5063879 analysis, and I have seen that many videos has claimed that this new update is killing or shutting down the SSD and your system is not booting and there will be data lost and SSD corruption with this Windows. But as Microsoft has confirmed that there is no issue with that, and even they have confirmed that the issue is not with this particular KB. As I have seen many videos as well as many users have reported the issue as well, that many users reported the issue. So was that the issue? So I can say yes, there will be issue, or there would have been issue with the Windows update, but not with this particular update. Since sometime the bug and the new issues are known with the Microsoft Windows 11 or 10, whichever is new version. So sometime known issues they have also confirmed in their this official website, but as of now they haven't confirmed that the SSD killing or shutting down is issue related to their Windows new update. They have confirmed that. I have just gone through this blog, and after they have investigated, Microsoft has found no connection with the August 2025 Windows security patch, and type of hard disk failure reported on social media. Microsoft that is update is service alert this week, but they have confirmed that the issue is not related to their this Windows update. But I should suggest you can just disable some update from your Windows 11 for some time. Open the Windows security update, and if you are facing any kind of issues with like that, so you can try to reset your PC once. Just you need to pause the Windows for a week, and once you pause the Windows for a week you will not get a new update. Also, if you have already installed this KB version, just go through with this. As you can see here, this is a new update is coming up, and I have already installed it. 878, as you can see here, but 878, but I haven't faced any kind of issues. So this is like known issue, but not with all the versions and all the hardware you have on your Windows. And even that 579 I have installed, and 585063878 878 you can see here. So issue has been reported with this, but I have, you can see here, security update. So if you have installed that and facing any kind of issues, just you can uninstall the latest update. If you are not facing any kind of issues, don't worry with any new things. Just pause it for 1 week, and thereafter everything will be good to go, and you should able to get a good Windows and a stable Windows. So I hope guys this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.